Welcome to Cooking with Iria. Today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious apple and oat biscuits. So keep watching. Okay, I made a list and prepared the ingredients. So take note. You need 230 grams of oats, 2 eggs, 100 grams of whole wheat flour or all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of liquid sweetener or sugar, 2 spoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 apple. Take a bowl and add the eggs. The sugar, the vanilla extract, the olive oil, and the oats. Now we whisk everything together. To the whole wheat flour, we add half a teaspoon of baking powder and then a pinch of salt. Add in the whole wheat flour with the baking powder and the salt and whisk it well. As you can see, I peeled the apple. Now we're going to slice it and now we dice it. It has to look something like this. We take the bowl again and we add it in. As you can see, the dough is very dense, so we mix the ingredients with our hands. It has to look something like this. I turned on the oven and now we preheat it at 180 degrees. In a baking pan, put parchment paper and put it aside. With a teaspoon, scoop out the dough and put it in the baking pan. And we're finished. Now we put it in the oven and we bake it for 15 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees. Take them out and let them cool for a few minutes. And this is what they look like. That's it for today. If you decide to make them at home, I hope you like them. And thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!